the only shots I'm putting into my body, the Haitian flu shot. Let me show you how to make it. If you're ever sick, you got a cold, you need to make this. If you have the flu, make this right now. You'll need honey, rum, Caribbean rum. I like to use barbecue, lime or lemon, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a shot glass. A little bit of hot water. In your shot cup, add the hot water, add the honey, stir it well, add the lime juice you squeezed, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and the rum. I can't believe our parents gave this to us at like 8 years old. That is crazy. That is crazy. Anyways, that's all you need. Stir it well and then go ahead and take that shot. I am obviously not the best with taking shots, so this is how I take my shot. Don't laugh at me, please. Cheers. And this is the only shot you need, okay? I promise you this shot will cure all your problems, okay? All your problems. So go ahead and make this if you're sick, or if you know someone who's sick, make this for them. It actually tastes really good. Let me know in the comments if your parents used to give you this when you were young. Or let me know if you're giving this to your kids. If I need to call the CF, let me know. I'm calling the CF.